everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Pretty Garden dress that I got. It is so cute. It has this little layered skirt. It is more of a A-line kind of cut, so it does kind of go out on you a little bit. It also has this V-neck right here that's really nice. It's not too low. It has these cute little ruffle sleeves and then a little cutout right here. The waistband is elastic, and then it is tiered kind of down here, so these little ruffles have tiers in them. It's super soft, super breathable, super lightweight, so perfect for spring and summer. It does come with this little extra belt that you can tie a bow in the front or the back if you want to. I love that it's not attached, so you have the option on whether or not you want to wear that. I bought this for like brunches. I think also for like Easter, it would be so cute. The colors are really vibrant. It is 100% polyester. I wash this by hand and then hang dry it. Give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on. Okay, so now that you have seen what it looks like on, it's really cute, really fun, really summery, and just so lightweight and so pretty. I just think that it's the cutest piece to have in your closet. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.